but a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you.
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I have a hack for you. I'm going to be using Ikea Calyx shelf. I have the 2-tier size. I'm going to be creating a storage bench. Because my closet is small, I thought this would be a great way to add some extra storage. So I hope this gives you some inspiration. And if it does, let me know in the comments. I appreciate y'all so much. That being said, let's get into the video.
To be sincere, feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure and clear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you, no matter what we go through. Keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late.
Y'all, I be intending to show y'all what I'm doing, but the struggle be real over here.
I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate, but I'm missing you.
Alright, y'all see, it's coming along. I just gotta tighten the top, tighten these up, and then I'll do the bottom.
Keeping it between us two, no matter what we go through, I'll stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us, and I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance?
Now I'm installing the doors. I purchased 2 from Ikea. They were $10 a piece.
You think nobody's ever thought of the things you think about when you're alone and it feels. You think you're crazy, but everybody's the same. Afraid you're different, scared you get.
This is all the hardware. You got 2 hinges, and you got 2 going here like this, but the A side facing out. So I'm gonna put my hinges in here. They go in here like this. and then I gotta screw those in. There's 4 flathead screws, so you use the flathead screws to screw it in.
You don't know how much longer you could walk around and wonder why it gotta be you. Tell me that it ain't true. What's happening to me? Can't nobody see you. A couple steps, but in slow motion. A couple distant in oceans like that. Thought that it would heal you, but it's poison. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie, can't lie, can't lie. I thought I lost it. Can't lie, thought I'd in time might lose my mind. Thought I'd lose it all like that. Thought I'd have a heart attack. Took my sanity, now give it back. Thought I'd lose it all like that. All like that. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I'll lay you to rest in pieces. No picture on a t-shirt, like you never existed. I'm done being a victim. This my villain era, look out. I go hard for my heart, play with her, it go down. Now you blocked, don't make a sound. Don't wish you no harm, but I hope that no good come around. In my space, there's no cheaters allowed. I gave you my word. Try it again, you're gonna lose your girlfriend. The nerve to think I wouldn't disappear from your life. Watch me. Cold-blooded. All this blue ice water in my veins. Memorial service in your name. Cold-blooded, blooded.
I really like how this came out. It came out much better than I thought it would. It's very sturdy. And yeah, y'all, I'm really happy with how it came out. I hope y'all like it too. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.
Grass was green on that other side. Guess what?